Malaysia's aquaculture sector produces 391,000 tons of cultivated organisms per year with an estimated economic value of over $700 million in 2019. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, it gives significant impact on Malaysian aquaculture. Also, due to movement control order, the shrimp farmers are adopting the post services to send to the customers as well as to survive in this industry. However, they face several challenges in transporting the fresh shrimp. The box for shrimp delivery must be designed in such a way it is easy to move or lift during delivery process. Also, the box for breeding must have an ideal temperature for the shrimps, live longer and easy to change the water. Therefore, we as FTKMP students here had developed MH Shrimp Smart Box to solve the problems for the farmers. The first solution that can be done is using polystyrene foam as a box. By using this polystyrene foam box, the temperature inside the breeding box remains constant and it doesn't need an adjustment to the ideal temperature for shrimps, which is between 23 to 27 degrees Celsius. Next, this product also needs to install wheels on the bottom of the breeding storage box. This will make it easier for farmers to move or lift the breeding storage box during the delivery process. Besides, this product also uses oxygen pump system. It is because shrimp need some oxygen to stay alive, therefore oxygen pump is needed to supply the oxygen into the box. Lastly, this product will use a valve piping system. The ball valve on the bottom MH Shrimp Smart Box is used to flow out the water. This part is added in order to make the box easier to clean it or change the water when needed. For the details of our MH Shrimp Smart Box, let's watch our presentation video.
Hello everyone, we are from Group 2 BMMU Section 1/1 under Madam Suryati. Our project title are MH Shrimp Smart Box. Our team consists of 4 members, which is me, MASDIKA UBONG, followed by Nik Ahmad Nazran, MOHAMAD FARHAN, HISWANSHAH, and MEGAT ISKANDAR. Let's move to the introductions of the project. The COVID-19 pandemic caused a large global human pandemic, which is still ongoing and has had a significant impact on Malaysian aquaculture, which is critical for seafood operations and security assurance. Also, due to movement control order, this project are to organize the latest innovations and come out with the new versions idea for storage box delivery that has a variety of specific functions, plus to focus on creating innovation for delivery fresh shrimp, smart box, and to maintain the quality of shrimp during deliveries to the customer. Next are the problem scenario. There are several challenges in transporting the fresh shrimp. This is why the box for shrimp must be designed in such a way it is easy to lift and transport. Second, inappropriate storage box for delivery and breeding storage box, and difficulty in maintaining the pH and water level of the breeding storage. In addition, to ensure the water cleanliness and maintain the water level, we will install a net on the inside of breeding tank. This can ensure that the shrimp does not come out when the water flow of the tank. We will also connect a piping system on the tank for the process of water inflow and outflow, and come out with the new versions ideal for the storage box delivery that has variety of specific functions and it easier to use by shrimp farmer. That's all for me. Next topic I pass to my group members.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. So, my name is MEGAT. I'm going to explain about the objective. Okay, the objective of this project is to maintain the quality of the shrimp during deliveries. The following sub-objectives are required to achieve the main objective or the main goal. Okay, the first one is to keep the survival of the shrimp during deliveries, and for the second one is to easy the seller to sell the shrimps to the customer.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Nazran bin Ahmad Khan. Let's go through the customer requirements. The main requirement for MH Shrimp Smart Box is delivery friendly, which is easy to move and lift the box during the delivery process, as the shrimp farmers will often use it for post services. Next, the second factor is the size of box, which is medium, so it will make the users easier to handle and store the box. Both factors are the highest customer requirement and score 5 for important weight factor. The box is made of polystyrene foam, thus the box is very suitable for shrimp because of the ideal temperature inside the box. These factors scored for 4 important weight factor. The appearance of the product is not really important because it does not affect the shrimps. Okay, next is engineering requirements. Based on this research and engineering experience, the most important to the least important engineering characteristics can be determined. Firstly, the weight then followed by the size are very important for our product, as this product is focusing on delivery and post services. Thirdly, the cost of production also our priority for this product because we want to make sure that all of shrimp farmers and customers can afford it. It also needs an oxygen pump as the shrimps need enough oxygen when they were put in the box during delivery process. Besides, the temperature inside the box must be around 23 to 27 degrees Celsius as it an ideal temperature for the shrimps.
Hi, my name is HISWANSHAH bin HANAPI. I will explain about the conceptual design and selection. There are 5 requirements that become concerns. Those 5 requirements are the main component of MH Shrimp Smart Box. Based on this morphological chart, you can see the suitable option for shrimp delivery box. Since it required a part with easy to handle and clean, the option for base and for pipe is more suitable. Since the lightweight need to be considered, the light material is polystyrene. Next, I will explain about the concept design. The description for design 1, we use aluminium as a box, oxygen system outside the box, rotating piping system for in and out, and the base comes with 4 wheels for handling. For description design 2, we use wood as a box, oxygen system outside the box, 1 piping system for in and out, and the base with no wheel. Next, for design concept 3, we use polystyrene as a box with medium size, oxygen system outside the box, rotating piping system for in and out, and lastly, the base comes with 4 wheels for good handling. For design concept 4, we use PVC as a material box, oxygen system inside, 1 rotating piping system and 1 normal piping for in and out. We use net at top lid, and lastly, base comes with 4 wheels for handling. The last design, which is design 5, we use perfect material as a box, oxygen system inside, and we have 2 piping system for in and out, have 4 stem at base, and lastly, holder also are available. For the concept screening, the concept that using morphological chart are then screened against 5 specifications and against the customer needs. This is done as a preliminary decision metric to see which concepts are going to be further analyzed. As we can see, there are 2 concepts has been rejected and 3 accepted. The 3 concepts that been accepted will be proceeding to the next step, which is scoring concept by pass method. From this path chart, the concept which most satisfies the design criteria was the design concept 3. The reason concept 3 will be continued by analysis of the ranking more closely. The concept have the same size with the other concept but more delivery friendly. According to the 3 conceptual sketches above, the concepts are the same, but the design is different due to material in the product used. The design that more lightweight is design 3 compared to the one in design 4. According to the temperature, design 3 is more ideal temperature compared to others. The price also for design 3 is cheaper because using polystyrene box. Finally, the best design and choice is design concept 3 that satisfies the criteria.
Alright, this is the detailed design for MH Shrimp Smart Box. The MH Shrimp Smart Box is made out from polystyrene box steel box base, caster wheels, oxygen pump, stone, ball valve piping, and acrylic plates. It has 4 main systems and there are 13 components in this product. Each of the components plays an important role for the well-functioning of MH Shrimp Smart Box. Okay, this is the standard view of the product. 3 standard views of the preferred design are in this drawing. As you can see, they are consist of front view, top view, left view, and isometric view. For the product function of each main systems will be presented by Muhammad Farhan FIRDAUS. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Farhan FIRDAUS bin EHYAK and I'm going to explain product function. MEGAT Holdings invented a shrimp smart box in order to maintain the quality of the shrimp during delivery for a long period. There are 4 main parts of this product. The first one is main body. We choose polystyrene because it is heat conductor. It can maintain the temperature at a certain level for a long period, which is suitable for shrimp that requires temperature between 23 to 27 degrees Celsius. Next part is base. Base is made from steel so that it can carry and hold the mass of the box with water inside of it. The wheel is added so that the box is easier to move anywhere without carrying it. Next is oxygen system. The function of oxygen system is to supply oxygen to the shrimp so that it can live longer and the quality and freshness can be maintained for a long period. The last part is valve piping and fitting. This part is added to make the box easier to clean it or change the water so that the box does not to be flipped throughout the water. The acrylic plates and rubbering at the tank connector used to strengthen the position of the valve and prevent the piping system from leakage.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. So I'm going to explain about the engineering analysis. So there is 4 assembled components. The first one is ice box, second one is base, third one is tire part, and the last one is the pipe mechanism. So let's start with the ice box. So this is ice box. The ice box function is to maintain the temperature and to control the temperature. That's the reason why we use styrofoam material. The styrofoam is composed of 98% of air. Okay, so after using a SolidWorks simulation, there is some lag because of the SolidWorks didn't have the material styrofoam, so it cannot be solved. Right. So for the base, if you can see, the maximum pressure that you can give for this base is around 15 Newton meter square, but the best condition is around 12 Newton meter square or 12 newtons force. Okay. For this one, this is tire part. Okay, for the simulation that we give is around 1 Newton until 50 Newton, but from the bar on this right side, you can see most of the tire part can stand the pressure and the force given. Okay, so the last one is the what we call piping mechanism. Okay, due to pipe material is PVC, it have their own strengths. The red arrow represent for the pressure and force that given by the water, while the green arrow is fixed part that cannot change due to the pressure, or else it's going to be break because it cannot handle as much as pressure as various type of metal pipes. So that's all from me. Thank you.
For cost analysis, as you can see, these are the price list of each part of our products. There are 9 parts in total of our products, and the total cost for one product is RM134.50. There are other costs included, which is transportation, shrimp, and water.
For conclusion, MH Shrimp Smart Box is achieved the customer satisfaction. This material also cheaper than other material. Product already achieved objective, which is to keep the survival of the shrimp during delivery and ease the seller to sell the shrimp. The analysis and testing for the product has been done smoothly. but there are some limitations of the product, which is material box not to strength, oxygen pump and energy must be upgraded. For future work, maybe we must upgrade the material of the box, add portable chiller for temperature, and lastly system monitor for pH level. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.